If you're looking for a healthy, high-protein meal to support your weight loss, this cheats tortilla quiche uses an unexpected ingredient. Instead of pastry, we've used a high-fibre tortilla wrap to create a lighter, slimming-friendly crust. Honestly, it's a game changer. Start off by cracking 4 protein-packed medium eggs. Add 4 tablespoons of fat-free natural cottage cheese for creaminess. Stir in most of the reduced fat cheddar, saving a little for the top. Add some chopped chives, dried or fresh, and season with black pepper. Then whisk everything together. Press the wrap into a non-stick dish. This becomes your lighter alternative to high-Swip pastry. Scatter the red peppers into the wrap and pour over the eggy mixture. Top with tomatoes and finish with the remaining reduced fat cheddar. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes until golden and set in the centre. It shouldn't wobble when you gently shake the dish. Slice into quarters and serve with fresh salad for extra fibre and volume. Perfect for staying satisfied while losing weight. Simple ingredients, big flavours, smart swaps.